काँग्रेस सरकार सत्तेर आयल्यार 100% रोजगार युवकांक दितले। तशेंच गोंयांत शिक्षण केंद्र उबारतले आनी नैतीक मूल्यांचेर पर्यटन विकसीत करतले म्हण काँग्रेसीचो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुइजिनो फालेरो उलयला। डेस्को खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
People-friendly administration. And we are going to give you a roadmap how we are going to make a people-friendly administration. Number one, on which today we are going to talk, is 100% employment for our youth and we have got a roadmap. For the third one is create Goa as an education hub. Every stage, the foundation has to be strong, the middle part has to be strong. So we have to open up our doors to make Goa a hub of education. This is a priority. The fifth point I would like to make, or fourth point, health. If you want to empower the nation, you empower to good health and good education. Sixth, this is converting Goa into hi-fi zone. That means make Goa 100% digital. We want environment-friendly tourism, but more important, we want ethical tourism. Ethical tourism will be the main plank of our vision document. And then you will ask me about mining, this, that, whatever industry. Industrial growth in Goa has to be sustainable industrial growth. So these are the main planks of our vision document. I have already spelled out 9 this. We are also continuing our discussions with the stakeholders. Unfortunately, time is very limited. And today we would like to give you this document. If you want any clarification on this document, please ask. This document is continuation of this document. We have improvised and improved on this.